Supabase versus Firebase, which backend platform is better? Choosing the right backend platform can completely change how you build and scale your apps without getting stuck on complex configurations. We'll compare Supabase and Firebase briefly. Supabase and Firebase are two leading backend platforms for app development. The core difference lies in their approach. Supabase offers an open-source SQL-based backend, while Firebase provides a proprietary NoSQL cloud solution focused on real-time data and integrated Google services. Supabase is an open-source backend platform built on top of PostgreSQL. It provides a fully managed database, authentication, storage, and real-time subscriptions, all accessible through a RESTful and GraphQL API. Supabase works by leveraging the power and familiarity of SQL, making it ideal for developers who prefer relational databases and want full control over their data. Its strengths include simplicity in setup, strong support for relational data, and transparency thanks to its open source nature. Developers can self-host or use Supabase's managed service, which offers scalability and security. However, Supabase is newer and may lack some advanced features or extensive integrations available in more mature platforms. It is ideal for developers comfortable with SQL who want an open, flexible backend with the ability to customize and extend functionality without vendor lock-in. Firebase is a comprehensive backend-as-a-service platform owned by Google, designed to simplify app development with a suite of integrated tools. It includes a NoSQL real-time database, Firestore authentication, cloud functions, analytics, and hosting. Firebase works by providing a serverless environment where developers can focus on front-end development, while Firebase manages infrastructure and scaling. Its strengths lie in seamless integration with Google Cloud services, real-time data synchronization, and a mature ecosystem with extensive documentation and community support. Firebase excels in mobile and web apps requiring real-time updates and built-in analytics. However, it uses NoSQL databases, which can be less intuitive for complex relational data, and its proprietary nature means less flexibility and potential vendor lock-in. Firebase is ideal for developers seeking a robust, ready-to-use backend with powerful real-time features and who prefer a managed solution backed by Google's infrastructure. Comparing Supabase and Firebase reveals clear trade-offs. Supabase's open-source SQL foundation suits projects needing complex queries, relational data, and transparency. It offers flexibility and control, especially for developers familiar with PostgreSQL. In contrast, Firebase's NoSQL serverless model shines in real-time applications like chat apps or live dashboards, with deep Google Cloud integration and out-of-the-box analytics. Firebase handles scaling automatically but can limit database structure complexity. Supabase requires more backend knowledge but avoids vendor lock-in through open-source licensing. For startups or projects prioritizing rapid development with real-time data, Firebase is often the preferred choice. For teams needing structured data models, customization, or self-hosting options, Supabase stands out. Ultimately, the decision depends on your app's data complexity, desired control level, and preference for open source versus managed proprietary services. Choose Supabase if you want an open source, SQL-based backend with full control over your data and prefer relational database management. Firebase is best for developers seeking a mature, serverless backend with real-time data syncing and deep Google integration. Both platforms excel in different scenarios, so align your choice with your app's data needs and development style for optimal results.